We got a tailgate assist here for a 2015 up F150, and this is to help lower your tailgate safely so you don't get crashed like this when you just open it and let go. So it'll slowly lower it down with this tailgate assist on it. And we're going to show you how to install this real quick. So this kit comes with a little shock absorber, a torque wrench, 2 little brackets, a bolt, and some protective film. Very straightforward install. You will need an Allen wrench for this. To start with, you are going to remove this 10mm bolt right here. We're going to be replacing that with the one that's provided, so we can remove this and set this out of the way. We already had this loosened up. And then you'll be loosening this one. You do not need to remove it, you just need to loosen it, maybe 1/4 inch or so. You'll be sliding a bracket down in here. And this is the bracket you're going to be putting in here. So you pull this out, slide this down, and then where you remove the first bolt, you're going to be sliding the new one from the kit in there and tightening that down. And this is where you need the Allen wrench. This is an M5, and we'll run this down. That's snug. We'll go ahead and snug this other bolt we loosened. Alright, we got that one snug. The next step we're going to come up here and do is remove this bolt. It's got a Torx head on it. A Torx wrench is provided, and we're going to remove this so we can take the cable off and install another bracket. So now we got the cable loosened, we're going to remove this bolt, set the cable aside, and then we're going to take this other bracket here and install this on the down position. So what we're going to do next, before we do that, is go like this. So you basically have that bolt still attached to the cable like it was. Just pass your bracket through that, and we're going to get this started here. We'll run this down as far as we can by hand. About as far as we can get. So that tightened up, we'll come back here with our shock absorber and we will connect it. And this just basically will push on and then pull it down. And push it on down there. And then they give you this Mylar protective little film for areas where it could come in contact with the paint. This isn't absolutely needed, but since they provide it, we'll show you how to install it. So start off, you cut about an inch piece off this strip, and it's gonna sit right down here on the sheet metal right beside the light. So Basically just get it right along this area right here. It's sticky, you just have to push it down. And then we'll take this last big piece and it's gonna go right along here where this could maybe chafe. Just slide that in there and press her down. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you what it's like when it's installed now. No more tailgate slamming. Easily lowers the tailgate. That's it.